This is an advertisement for two Remington typewriters. This one being an Office-riter, this one being a quiet writer. I am putting these on the internet for sale. This one is in relatively good nick. It has a couple of paint splatters on the sides, and the spacebar has been glued together kind of badly. But the typewriter itself seems to be working quite well actually. It has something called the Senatorial font and the keys. So it's a special kind of font. I can show you. Pop some paper in. Oh, come on. I think I have double pages. Just hold on a second. Plasm catches the paper properly. I just have too many pages in it. Senatorial font, just all. So that's quite nice. The other one here is for parts. Comes with a case. This one doesn't have a case, but this one is fully functional. This one does work, however it's missing some parts like the spool covers, a couple of buttons, like the shift is missing its cover, and the cover itself on the typewriter is missing. But it does work, however. But I think it will be more suitable for parts. This one could be used for writing. This one is equipped with a tabulator. This one isn't. This camera is not working properly. But like I said, they both work. If you're interested, please contact me. This is a local sale only. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.